ETNA platform supports algorithmic trading. Algorithms are automated trading strategies designed to execute orders in the financial market. These algorithms utilize predefined rules, mathematical models, and historical data to make trading decisions. To use an algorithm, open a new trade ticket and click within the Trading Algo field. Examples of the trading algorithms: volume-weighted average price, an adaptive algorithm designed to achieve volume-weighted average price. Time-weighted average price, an adaptive algorithm, recommended for trades where volume patterns are highly uncertain. It is also suitable for securities with an adverse trend or large order size benchmark. POV volume participation, an adaptive participation algorithm that allows users to target a desired market participation level. Arrival, an algorithm designed to optimize the trade-off between market impact and execution using urgency settings that trade within volume participation bands. Smart order routing, an algorithm designed to intelligently source liquidity from all available venues. Smart dark, an algorithm designed to intelligently source liquidity from all dark venues. Smart market on close, an algorithm designed to execute orders as close to the closing price as possible. Custom one placeholder route for client custom strategies. Desk route, manual route that directs order to the trading desk.